Bukod sa may cute factor siya, this chocolate bomb is made from creamy chocolate batterol. And yung taste, makrema, malinamnam, chocolatey, and sakto ang tamis na comforting sa lamig ng December. And for all season. Kaya pasabog talaga siya this Christmas as in bongga. And look at the packaging, eye-catching, gift ready agad. And now let's try their tiramisu. Creamy at coffee soaked, every bite is heavenly talaga. Super yummy nito, perfect pang coffee pairing, pang dessert, or pang comfort food moment mo. And their cheesy garlic bun, oh my gosh, soft and warm bread stuffed with savory garlic butter filling, tapos cheesy, creamy, and amoy pa lang, solve ka na. Crunchy sa labas, pillowy sa loob, super yummy talaga. And of course, french fries, golden, crispy, freshly cooked, they have 2 dips, mamimili ka na lang. Kaya naman kung naghahanap ka ng holiday hangout with holiday treats, and for stress-free and hassle-free this Christmas, available din ang kanilang food trays for pre-order. Simply message their page. Kaya naman this holiday season, so good na dito sa Brew Express. See ya!